here today to teach you how to shave, the different methods of how to shave your paw pads. We're going to start with the basic that we all know. You can stand next to the dog and bend at the wrist to give you a view of the paw pads. I would suggest is taking your arm and placing it underneath the abdominal area or between the hind legs, and gently at the wrist bend the dog's paw and start shaving the paw pads. Remember to keep it as low as possible to the table, as the dog's comfort comes first. So this is one method. If you've got a difficult dog that doesn't like his paw pads being shaved, you can use the next method. You can take your arm, work it around the dog. This way I am protecting my face from his, as well as I've got full control over his body. Now I can just gently lift his paw pad and shave it. When doing the hind paws, you keep this position and just gently lift the hind leg. And work your blades in between the paw pads. Just always reposition yourself, always have full control over the dog. Work the blade in between the metacarpal and metatarsal pad and digits. I would suggest starting on the hind paws, as this allows you to determine the dog's sensitivity against when shaving the paw pads, as well as this allows them to get used to the feeling and the vibration of your clippers. And you're out of the biting range. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a comment in the section below. Send us some suggestions of content that you would like to see next time, and we're here to educate. So send us all your questions via our social media channels, or even straight direct to me via email. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe and like button if you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Stay fabulous.